Hey everyone, my name is Jess from ColDesi, and today I want to teach you guys how to make your own coasters using our Triton heat transfer vinyl, our Graph-Tech cutter, and these coasters which are made out of cork. Now these instructions will apply to any other items that are made out of the same cork material. So let's get started. So today we are using our red Triton heat transfer vinyl, and what we went ahead and did is sent our graphic to our Graph-Tech cutting plotter CE7000. We are cutting 3 of these so that we can make a set. So what we're doing next is called our weeding process. What this does is it removes any excess vinyl that we won't need, and our Triton heat transfer vinyl is super premium and very easy to weed. So we're using our weeding pick that you can find on Coleman & Company to get into the crevices where any excess vinyl is left over. Now we're going to line up our monogram to each of the coasters and get them ready to be entered into the heat press. Now, one of the best things about creating custom coasters is that they're small and you can fit a bunch on the heat press all at once. So we're going to want to use a finishing sheet right on top, and we'll press. Our Triton heat transfer vinyl, when being applied to cork, will need about 300 degrees for 25 seconds. Take them out of the press. Now, because cork does hold heat, you will need to let these cool for a second. Now this is not super hot, this is going to be a warm peel. So let's go ahead and peel our first one. So for our finishing press, we're going to use a flexible finishing sheet right on top so that these can have a more cork textured look. These will go into the press for about 5 seconds. The flexible finishing sheet holds heat, so we're just going to let them cool for a little. And now we have our set of 3 monogram coasters. So as you can see, it's very easy to customize these cork coasters using our Triton heat transfer vinyl, and it gives you a great opportunity to sell in sets. If you're looking for any of the products used in this video, visit colemanandcompany.com. Thanks for watching.